it's a Sunday. We're going to do date day today. We're going to go to Trafford Centre, watch a film, hopefully try and get some fireworks, but most importantly, so we're going to relax, drink coffee, eat some good food. Me and Abby have been together for 4 years, and for the whole 4 years nearly, I've been saying, yeah, we'll go your sushi, we'll go your sushi. And today,
4 years later, finally here.
It's finally happening. So I'm just not a massive sushi fan, but Abby is.
I love sushi. But you don't have to eat sushi, I've been telling you this for years.
Yeah, I know. But I always see things like Five Guys, and I'm like, Where will we fit a Christmas tree in the van though?
Christmas tree?
Yeah.
On the roof? Therefore just the height accordingly. It's Christmas.
Are you asking me for my opinion?
Yeah.
I preferred the other vibe, but I do still think that'd look
I don't
good.
think I'd wear it. I don't think I'm a leather girly.
No.
I don't think that's for me. Or a cream one, that'd be cute. That's not the vibe.
Sundiest Sunday. And the great thing about a big shopping day, full of food, just get in the van and have a nap. This is the epitome of a British bonfire night.
Yeah, it really is, isn't it? Everyone's brought the frosty jet. We're here for a good time.
Do a big firework. Do the thing where you touch it.
How small I am.
Well, that killed 20 minutes. Don't say I don't treat you to nice things.
Always good.
I feel like we live in the Trafford Centre today. It's so obnoxious that it is.
Like a lamp in the Pixar thing.
Okay, I can talk now. Have anything else to say? Odeon Unlimited is such a essential for Vanlife.
I don't know about essential.
No, it's not an essential, but it can get boring if you go.
It's a good idea, yeah.
And a lot of the car parks are free.
Is someone coming
Yeah, we don't.
Like a bastard.
We don't mean cameras. We mean like the AMPR ones that give you a ticket automatically.